Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Crazy Tech. In today's video, I am going to tell you the best export settings for Adobe Premiere Pro in order to upload your videos on YouTube. People are always confused about the export settings in Adobe Premiere, but in today's video I am going to tell you the basic settings as well as the custom settings for your YouTube video, and you will not be confused by watching this video. Watch complete video till end and keep subscribing and liking my videos. So let's start and go to our dashboard. So viewers, without wasting time, let's start our video. First of all, you have to go to your Adobe Premiere Pro. I have Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Here is one of my video which I am editing at the moment. So in order to export video, first of all, you have to render your current video by selecting in and out points for your current video. For example, you have to drag this cursor to the start of your video and then mark in. Then you will drag it to the end of your video and press mark out, and then you will go to sequence and then press render into out. It will render your video and this red bar will convert into a green bar. The main purpose for rendering video is that it will take the less time for you to export your video. If you do not render your video, it will take higher time in order to export that video. So after rendering your video, you have to press Ctrl M and then you will see this dialog box. These are the export settings for your current video. So let's start from here. In format, you always have to select H264, then come to the preset. Viewers, in presets we have two options, that we can select the custom preset or we can choose the match source high bitrate. You can see, if you will press here, you have this option, match source high bitrate. If you will press match source, it will automatically fetch all the default settings for your current video. But if you want much best results for your exported video or high video quality, then you have to customize your preset. Then you have to customize your export setting. So I mostly, in order to save the time and in order to save the disk space, I always select the match source high bitrate, because by selecting match source high bitrate, the exported videos are of smaller size and are easy to upload on YouTube. But if you want the custom settings for your exported video, then there is the chance that the custom settings might increase the size of your exported video. So I always select the match source. You also have the option of selecting the match source. If you select the match source, you do not have to change any settings here and just have to press the export button and it will export your video. But if you want to do the custom settings, then you will go to the video tab. First of all, in video tab you can change the width and height of your video by unchecking this box. If you want your video to be exported in HD format, then you can change them. I have a 4K video, that's why these are the width and height of 4K video. But if you want to change them, you can change them here. In frame bitrate, mostly people select the 25. You can select the 25. Do not change anything below. Or if you want your video to be exported in the best quality, then you will press the render at maximum depth quality, but it will take more time to export the video. Remember this one. Then come to hardware encoding. If you have a good graphics card and you have a faster laptop or a PC, then you always select the hardware encoding process. Do not change anything below this. Keep them as they are. Then for YouTube, for best video quality, I always select the CBR setting. CBR is the constant bitrate. YouTube also defines the target bitrate settings for CBR. You can see here. These are the CBR settings for YouTube videos. For 4K video, you can select 66 to 85. For 2K you can select 30, for 100 you can select 50 Mbps. As I have a 4K video, then I will drag it to almost 85 or 90 to get the best export quality for my video. But it will automatically increase the size of your video, so and it will take higher time to export. But if you have a good PC, good graphic card, it will export it speedily. But for those who have slower systems, I do not recommend that they select the CBR. Keep them just on match source. The custom option is for those who have high specs laptops or PCs with high quality or with higher quality of graphics card. So CBR in CBR in this tab, bitrate encoding, you can select CBR. For target bitrate settings, I have already told you that there are predefined settings of YouTube. Then do not change anything. Then go down to this, use maximum render quality. You have to check this one, and that's all from here. You just have to export, press export, and your video will be exported. One more thing about the audio, that do not change anything in the audio section, keep them as they are. So that's all from today's video. You have two options, the custom one or match bit source. I always recommend the match source because it will take less time for you to export videos, and also the file size are lesser as compared to the custom presets. So that's all from today's videos. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.